Want to know how to create an account in Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, you need to simply open up your favorite browser and type in Google AI Studio on the URL. Now, once you've typed in a search, here you can see the Google AI Studio on the first link right here. So simply select it. And now once it's there, right here you can see the sign in to Google AI Studio button on the left side right here. So once I've selected that, now right here you can see choose an account. So this is actually your Google account. So if you want to create an account in Google AI Studio, you need to simply create an account inside Google. So simply select use another account and then select create account right here. Now right here you can just simply select one of these. For now I'll just go for personal use. And you need to just type in your first name and last name. Select next, and once that is done, you need to simply type in your birth month and then your gender. Now simply type in your username, which will be later linked or connected with your Gmail account. So once you've done that, you should be creating a password, and after that is done, your account should be successfully created. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can link that created account to your AI Studio, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.